Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to handle a web table using Selenium. See basically some companies they can able to use in a web application there is a web table. In that web table we need to automate means we have to do some things. Basically, in this row, you want to print all the values. You want to get the values, and you need to print. Or else there is a link here, and you want to click like this. You will get some options. Then you want to do like that means, and first you have to found that entire row, and you want to print that all the column values into that row. How we can able to do it now? We'll see. See now I'm going to take for XPath for this TRs. TRs means there is a rows. TDs means it is a columns. And first we need to do like driver dot find elements by dot XPath. Then I'm going to pass my XPath. Now this XPath it will return a list of web elements. Then I need to take a list and a web element I need to store that is rows. Okay, now list of rows I got it, then I need to print into that list of rows dot size, but which is the rows I got it, then I need to store into an element integer format of that rows size. We can able to make it rows dot size. Okay, now I store these values into this particular integer row size. Okay, now I want to print a list of columns and driver dot find elements. Okay, and here I need to copy paste these rows. I'll copy paste this entire path. Why I removed here one is, if you make it one means it will take first row only. If you remove that one, it will give the list of rows presented for in that particular table. This is the table and table body. In the table body having TRs, that TRs I'm going to print. Now I'm going to same thing for columns also. Column I need to take like rows hyphen td. This is a td is presented that first row. What are the tds or how many columns are presented, that all the columns I'm going to print, and here I'm going to print that column size, columns dot size. Then I need to I store that column values. Then I need to take the size, I need to print column size. Okay, columns dot size. Then I store that columns and rows, but I want to print these row values, all the row values I want to print. Then how we can able to do, we can able to do it for loop int row size I equal to 1, I is greater than or equal to row size I plus plus. Now this loop it will rotate one by one for rows, means it will take first row, then it will until how many rows presented in that particular web table, that many rows, that many times it will rotate. And the same thing I need to rotate for column also. J dot 1 and j is greater than or equal to column size then j plus plus. Okay, now columns, how many? This row having 5 columns, this 5 I want to print. Then I need to take for this x path first. Now I'm going to take this x path and I need to print all the values. Then I need to use driver dot find element by dot x path. Here what I want to do, right? Here now I'm going to dividing this entire path first. Okay. Then what will happen up to here? I need to print rows. TRs means rows, right? For that TRs I am going to use the same thing. Now here I want to print j values. J value purpose j plus. Now this row having something is missing, I guess. Now I printed these all the rows. And what will happen in the table? It will take I and j values and it will rotate one by one, and it will give that what exactly we are expecting the value. Okay. Then I need to first get text this space I'm going to provide. And first I'll do that format. In this format we can able to see like here I done that driver and find element. I'm going to print for each row that many columns, how many times that columns are rotating and all the values, and I'm going to print getting that text of that particular column. Okay, then I'm printing here. This is the out just for skipping line. Then we'll see that once I run this one, you can able to see all the list of web element printed, that entire box values. These values are presented right in the row. It will take these 5 rows, sorry, first row. In the first row 5 columns, it will print one by one. Now you can see now max match, and then you can able to see here it is printing all the elements. One, two, three, four, five. Five values. It is printed in one section. Like this, we can able to handle. Even you can able to see if you want to find this value, then you can able to use that if condition. Uh, Here you can able to make it as a string. I printed here, right? You can use the string some value and equal to, you can take that get text up to get text. Then you can use that if condition, which is the value you want to print. Now see in this application, I'm going to time technique, this one, first one, and I'm going to use if condition, and I'm going to use that value dot contains or equal, ignore case equal, anything you can able to use, and you can pass that value which is the value getting and which one you want to verify. Once both the values are correct, then you can able to use the same one dot click method. Then it will click that particular element and it will navigate to another page. Like that we can able to use it for web table handling. That's all about this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.